Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am sharing this No Tricks, Just Treats card. And it's really cute. I don't know if you can see it. This is popped up here, and it's super cute. What I did here, it's kind of a little bit of a technique. I just actually cut up around the words and the bats here to create like that pop-up 3D look to it, and it really turned out cute. I'm really happy with it, so I hope you enjoy it too. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to change it up just a hair because, well, I'm going to change it up quite a bit. I'm actually going to use a basic black card base, and this is the 5.5 by 4 1/4. And this time I'm matting it with this Designer Series paper. It's out of the same pack. It's the Monster Bash Designer Series paper. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the treat bags that I did on one of my lives last week. And I used most of the paper for that treat bag, but this is super cute, all of it. I love both sides of it, and it's really, really cute. We do have a bundle that goes with this, and the framelits that go with this are the ornate dies. And so I decided to use this little, they're kind of like treats, monster treats. So I decided to change it up and use that as the Designer Series paper. And then that is 4 by 5 1/4, and then this piece that we're going to stamp on is 2 by 4. So this is super easy to do. It does take some fussy cutting, but it's nothing hard to do. So let's go ahead and just add the Designer Series paper first, and I'm just going to use some snail for that. And you can see both sides of this. It's really cute for Halloween. I love this paper. So we're just going to add this to the front. And then we're going to go ahead and stamp the No Tricks, Just Treats, and it's from the Everything Festive Stamp Set, and this is coming September 4th, and that is just around the corner. So for those of you who've been waiting for the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog to go live, it is September 4th. And if you don't have a demonstrator and you'd like a catalog, you can please contact me, and I'd be happy to send you one. So on this, we are going to stamp with Tuxedo Black Memento ink, and I got a little piece of string here of my baker's twine got on there, and we are going to ink this up. It's really a cute, really nice size sentiment. You can just use it in the middle, and so line this up to the top the best you can. I hope I'm not going to get my head in here. And I'm kind of going a little bit to the left, but you can center it if you like it better centered. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to bring my trimmer up here, and I'm going to line this up, and we are going to cut about 3/4 inches up from the bottom. And we're going to go right to the sentiment there, and then I'm going to lift it up, and again just go from the sentiment to there. And this is just going to give us a starting point, and it's going to make this bottom part even. Alright, so let's go ahead and just start cutting this. So I'm just going to go around the letters, and I mean, this is nothing very difficult. You're just going to follow the pattern, and it really looks cute when it's on the card, and I hope that you can see that. I am going to just go in here a little bit and around that bat. Be careful because you don't want to cut off any of the bats or anything. And the closer you get it to the top, the less you will have to cut. So I'm just trimming away all that excess that was at the top there. And then we're just coming down the side. And right back to that other one. So there you have your little piece cut out. So you can see, I mean, it's really, really easy to do. And it doesn't take any time at all, really. And if you see any pieces, you know, any parts that you might want to cut a little bit more, I went ahead and I'm going to cut just a little bit more to give it a little bit more definition, but there we go. So I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab some of my baker's twine. I'm going to add some snail to the back here so we can hold on to our baker's twine here. And I'm just going to start wrapping this around here. And I went around 3 times. And then I'm just going to cut that. So if you already have your adhesive on there, it works really well. I'm going to use dimensionals now to pop that up. So you want a bunch of dimensionals because if you're going to mail it, you don't want it to flatten out in the mail. Sometimes I'll use that other really thick foam, and I'll use that too instead of the dimensionals. All right, now this is the part that takes me the longest. So we'll speed it up so I can get these all off. Okay, so we have all the dimensionals backings off. Now we're ready to add it to our card front. So we're going to add it. You can add it up here if you like, or down here. I stayed closer to the bottom on this. On that one, I really wanted you to see the people on it. There's the little monsters kind of on there. So we're going to do that for this one. Make sure I got that straight. Got it a little bit off. There we go. And then I'm going to make a double bow with this. And we're actually going to cut all the ends on this one. I'm just going to cut the loops and everything. It almost looks like little cat whiskers. I'm going to use a glue dot. And I'm going to add it right to the bottom here. And it's that quick and easy. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy it. And it's really a fun card to do, even though you have to fussy cut some. So I hope you all have a blessed day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Have a great one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.